Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters as well as non-figure skaters. So if you want a good workout today, please join me. We're going to be doing a nice little Pilates booty workout. We're going to be using this little band. So not your typical very restricted booty band. This has a little bit less resistance, so make sure your booty band has a lot of flexibility because we're gonna use a lot of a big range of movement, so we needed to not be so strong. So let's get right into it. This is a quick video, so no warm-up, no stretch, so make sure you do the warm-up before and stretch after. Yeah, we're gonna start off by bringing our booty band around our thighs. If you have leggings, this might slide a lot, so if you're at home, make sure you're wearing shorts. That's just gonna make your life easier. But for me, I don't have any workout shorts, so I will need to adjust my band here and there. So we're first just gonna start off on our all fours position. And we're just going to start off with a nice simple movement, just going up and down. Super simple. Up and down, making sure our pelvis is tucked in nicely, engaging our abs. We're inhaling, then exhaling up. Going for 10 of these, so 4 more. Keeping your head nice and straight. And now last one. Let's just hold it here and we're just gonna take some nice circles around one way, just 5 times, and then we're gonna go the other way. And 3, 4, and 5. Now let's take it the other way, nice and slowly. Really working your way through this circle, making sure your toes are pointed here as well. And last one. Now keep your leg up, flex your foot, and we're going to take little pulses for 10. So 6 more. Hold it. Then stretch your leg, point your toes. Flex your foot, bend. Point and stretch, flex. The hip is nicely turned in still, so not really changing your hip here. Good. 5 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. Almost there. And we'll take a quick little break. Now hold your legs stretch, point your toes, and let's just lift for pulses. 2, 3, 4. Don't let go of your form here. Last one, hold it up, and then release. Let's just take a quick break in our child's pose. So just open up your hips and let's hold here. Then slowly start to come back up, and we're just gonna come and lay on our left hip so that we're working on that right leg still. We're gonna just rest our head in our hand, keeping our legs in a nice right angle position, making sure we're a little bit lifting from our waist here, our abs are engaged. We're gonna inhale, exhale, lift our legs up into a nice clam, and toes are going to be pointed, and then we come back down. So we lift up, then come back down. We inhale, exhale, lift. Just kind of pausing at the top for a bit. 5 more. Last 3. Inhale, exhale, feel that nice little shake. And last one, hold it up. Now you're gonna stretch your leg, toes together, come back down. We're just gonna do 8 of those. Stretch, toes, and come down. And we inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good, 4 more. You can do it, almost there. Last 2. Really working the outside of our leg, our glutes. Good, that was our last one. Now you're gonna flex your feet and we're just gonna pulse up that top leg. I know, it's killing you, but we're almost finished. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold it and release. Good, just give your glutes a little bit of a massage, some love. And we're gonna repeat that all on the other side. So come back to your hands and your knees. Just gonna turn around so you can have a better view of me. Adjust your band where is needed. And let's get right into it. Again, pelvis is tucked under. Nice straight spine, looking forward, engaging your abs. Let's inhale. Exhale, lift that left leg up. Inhale, exhale up. Keeping the hip nice and turned in. And let's just keep our toes pointed here for now. And 5 more. Then we'll do those nice circles. Trying to move through these movements with control, even if it's really hard. Just do your best. Last 2. And last one, hold it up. And let's take those nice circles around. Just moving smoothly through this movement. Toes are still pointed, not losing our form here. And now let's go the other way. So around and down. Around, down. 3 more. Last 2. And now last one, keep it lifted. We're gonna flex the foot, take little pulses. I know, you're still gonna feel this in your other glute as well because it's just supporting you here, so don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Now hold it up, and now we point and stretch, flex and bend. Inhale, exhale, stretch. Good, and 4. And 5. I'm also dying here. 5 more. You're not alone. Last 3. Then we take those pulses. And then a nice little break. Now keep it stretched and point your toes. Let's lift, lift, lift for pulses. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. And release. Ouch. So just bend in your child's pose. Maybe release your wrists for a moment here. And now begin to come up, and let's come onto our right hip. We're gonna do that whole little series one last time, and then we're gonna be finished. So we're almost at the finish line. Come on to your hip. Bring your legs in a nice right angle in front of you, a little bit lifting in that waist, keeping the abs nice and engaged. Let's inhale, exhale, open into that clam, and together. Inhale, exhale, up. Trying to open up this hip as much as you can. This is really going to increase your range of movement. I always want to say moment, but I mean movement. And 6, 7, inhale, exhale, 2 more. Feel that nice shake. And now let's just stretch the leg up, toes together. down. Just 8 of these. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. 6 more. Last 4. You've got it. Almost there. I'm mainly telling that to myself. Good. Last 2 after this one. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, and then we're going to take those pulses. You've got it. Embrace the shake, flex your feet, and little pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Let it go. Just give your bum a little bit of a pat on the back. And we're just going to come up and we're just going to release the band. And then we are finished. So if you need a good little stretch after this workout, I will post one here, so you can check that out. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next one.